This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Debbie Hamilton. Beautifully updated, very open floor plan with numerous living rooms, sitting rooms, dens, media room, whatever you may need in this spacious home. Additional living quarter in the basement with full kitchen and tons of storage. Master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet with updated bathroom with an oversized walk-in shower and double vanity. Gorgeous kitchen is a cook's dream with lots of new cabinets, counter space and granite countertops and farm sink. Private backyard lined with trees. Most of the furniture is for sale and price list will be in the kitchen area. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Hamilton at 865-693-1111.